up the energy. It's pitch competition time. We'll hear from 4 exciting startups, and our amazing judges are seated and ready. So our first startup presenting is Victor Salinas from SmartConcil.
Hello, everyone. My name is Victor Salinas. I am the CEO and founder of SmartConcil. But first, before starting my pitch today, I would like to ask, is there any accountant in the audience? Accountant, finance? Okay, good to know where are the boring guys in the room, right? So I am one of the boring guys too, but the one who builds a platform that simplifies business financial decisions to focus on what really matters, right? You understand why it's a boring thing. So we started SmartConcil in 2018 when a financial institution required us to build a platform to consolidate all the financial information. Now we've been growing the platform in 3 main industries. We work with retailers, financial institutions, and retail and insurance companies. So we've been growing in 6 countries. We have operations, 3 different offices, Canada, Mexico, and Colombia, have been helping big companies to keep growing in the financial industry. So let's talk about what is the problem that brings us today. So reconciliation, as you know, boring thing, is something that it has to do every single financial team in the world. But there is a nightmare in the process. You have to process a lot of information coming from bank statements, accounting software, and any kind of data that you have to process in a single base, different formats, and then the knowledge that you have for doing the reconciliation is based on the people, so you have depending on the person who is doing the reconciliation. It's a nightmare. So using the experience that we have in the industry, and with 20 years experience working in the financial industry, we created SmartConcil, the platform that simplifies the whole thing, helping the finance teams to consolidate, analyze, and compare all the transactions. So we basically eliminate what is happening in the middle. Giving the finance teams the consistency, they will check what is happening with the cash flow, financial projections, almost in real time. Well, what is the magic behind the scenes? Well, we create a 4-step process. So first of all, we help the companies to consolidate the data. We can read data from everywhere, so we can read data from your bank statements, accounting software. We can also read the data from any payment gateway. So we basically collect the data from the source. Then we're going to classify the information or the bookkeeping process. So we identify what the income, outcome, every single transaction that you have in the system or in your company. Then, based on some algorithms, we identify if you have inconsistencies in the information. So based on that, we can create report, cash flow projections, and prediction for the company in minutes, nor hours or days. So finance teams basically increase the traceability of the information 100%. We are not working with spreadsheets anymore, so we have a platform that basically consolidates all the information. Also, we reduce the time of doing the reconciliation by 80%, and also we enhance the security of the information, and also if you have any kind of audit thing, you can access all the information all the time. So we have different bundles. It depends on the size of the company. It depends on the number of reconciliation processes that you have in the system. So we are not charging per user. We are not charging per number of transactions. We are charging per process that you have implemented in the company. So we have real stories. Big companies are using our software. We basically help them to do the fastest implementation. We have the fastest in the market, less than 3 weeks. You're going to be up and running the platform. You're going to be up and running your reconciliation process in our platform. So my team has more than 20 years of experience working in the financial industry. We are experts in data analytics. So bring your company to the next level. Help them to reduce and eliminate all these manual processes and get into the next level or AI data analytics with the SmartConcil. Thank you.
Thank you, Victor. Now let's welcome Aziz Benny from Aspedan.
Hi, everybody. I'm Aziz Benny from the Aspedan, and we are trying to help the merchants in the e-commerce players that increase the revenue and the average order value while decreasing the cost of sales in these services based on AI promotion service that offer them to manage the discount and pricing change on their stores. You know that the e-commerce market is huge. It means that every day, around the thousands of the e-shops and the merchants popping up in this area. A lot of share of this belongs to Shopify and Wix. They have the problem. The major problem is basing on the conversion. It means that from the 20% that come to the merchants and come to the online shops, only one of them convert to the shoppers. And why happens something like this? Because the owner of the merchants, owner of the e-shops, try to guess what to manage. They don't have enough data and don't use the AI models and something like that to convert the online shoppers to the customer. Our solution is an AI centralized platform that supports to automation and discount and price management for the merchants. The addressable market is huge, around $42 billion US dollar in the year. And we approach to the segment of price and discount management, a piece of very, very huge, around the $2.8 billion for each year. We are now available in the Shopify for the first step. Since 2023, we get the bill for Shopify. We now have a 5-star review and rating, and we can manage more than 2,000 online campaigns in 64 different countries around the world. Our business model is simple. We get the subscription from the merchants and support them to increase their AOV and other things related to sales. We learn from the past, and we have the future. We have the plan for the future. You know that we have tried to expand our services to the other platform. The name is Wix, and be a multi-platform to serve these AI models to other merchants. We have a good team with the good experience in the AI, software, and e-commerce, and we try to help the merchants to go better, be better, and now you can start using our service free on Shopify, or we can directly contact with me for partnership or any relating to opportunity of the investment. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Aziz. Now we're moving on to our third company of today. It's Omid Fatemi from WeVent. Welcome.
Thank you, everybody. Hello, my name is Omid Fatemi. I am a CEO and founder of Ecolab Innovations, the creator of WeVent. Every event generates incredible knowledge like this one. But after the last handshake, what happens? All the knowledge is gone. So WeVent is the answer to this question. We built WeVent to turn the fleeting moments into lasting assets. Event organizers struggle with fragmented tools. Attendees feel disconnected. 60% of virtual attendees usually feel disconnected. And most importantly, 80% of valuable knowledge are gone after the event. I saw this firsthand. As the former CIO of a large university with more than 40,000 students, 4,000 faculty members, I saw how difficult it is to manage huge events, multi-sessions, multi-presenters, multi-meetings, and I saw how valuable knowledge is being lost after the meeting. So we built WeVent, and we used it. WeVent is the solution. It is the total ecosystem for event managing, from registration, ticketing, organizing, capturing the knowledge. Everything is in one place. You could see that, for example, there are recordings, resources, analytics, everything you could have access to it in one easy place, one accessible place. So how do we do it? The core of the platform is our AI-powered engine. It ingests everything from the meeting, all of the segmented data, video recordings, chat logs, connections, everything, and transfers them to actionable assets like summaries, takeaways, searchable knowledge base. So this is our main difference. The other ways, event organizers, the work is chaos. They use a patchwork of tools. But with WeVent, everything is organized, is in one easy integrated solution. So we transfer, we change the complexity to simplicity, the waste to the value. The market is projected to be more than $78 billion by 2030. So our main focus would be on corporate enterprise for internal trainings and the meetings, the events, higher education for academic conferences, the learning sessions that they have, and also professional organizers and associations. Our business model is straightforward. We are using a flexible model for subscription-based, for event-based pricing, and also premium features. We already see tractions from the users. It is not just a concept. We could see this in the world, in the real, we see the value of that with our users, for example, saying that WeVent's AI perfectly captured our product prioritization workshop. So stop wasting your events assets. So go to the website and book your next event with WeVent. Let's shape the future of connected knowledge. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Omid. Now let's welcome Amir Omidvar from Pocket Clinic to present.
Hello, everyone. I'm Amir, CEO and co-founder of Pocket Clinic. We're making diabetes management easy with our first 7-day wearable infusion pump. I believe everyone in this room are familiar with diabetes. Diabetes is the fast-growing chronic condition worldwide. And only in the US, more than 38 million people suffer from this chronic condition. And more than 8 million people, life of them depends on insulin. The struggle to administer this drug is really high. And I've firsthand witnessed my grandmother that is administering manual injection. It was really hard for her, and also for my parents and my family members. Dosing it accurately, and also the high cost of insulin pump, that is the big barrier for us to move for the automation. Injection, and the time and effort, that costs the big barrier for us. With our solution, we're making it cost-effective and accessible for everybody. Our first of its kind, it's an interchangeable cartridge, and also extended wearability up to 7 days. And we use MEMS technology, micro-electromechanical systems, to provide the precise dosing for these patients. And also we have the patents, 4 patents in this technology. We are so proud to tell you that we are all-in-one solution that cover all the needs of patients. That these shows, the small shows of our interest in our pumps. We cover the flexibility, the higher volume, and also the extended variability. To compare our solution with the available solution, we just reduce the waste of the plastic by extending the variability. We increase the volume to up to 5 milliliter. That is the huge advantage compared to others. And also, the patient doesn't need to deal with other devices for inserting the needle. And we're not compromising by increasing the volume in size. We keep the size as the smallest pump available in the market. Our business model is a subscription model. We are providing 2 pods, electronics, for $100 per month and 4 cartridges for $200. And we are partnered with the healthcare provider, put our device in the insurance baskets, and also at the end, direct to customers on the online marketplace. We keep our patient at our center, and we help them to save up to 60% compared to the Omnipod, one of our biggest competitors. Go-to-market strategy, we divide it in 3 phases. Phase 1, clinical trials and regulatory approval. We are already in these phases. Phase 2, pilot launch and strategic partner with the pharmaceutical company. We are engaging with endocrinologists, diabetes clinics, and hospitals. And also, we're not stopped here. We're partnering with pharmaceutical company for other drugs as well. We have an LOI for kidney failure to help improve our market as well. The phase 3, full scalable commercialization for major healthcare networks and pharmacies, and also implementing our direct-to-customer. The insulin delivery market is reach out to $46 billion in 2028, and in US alone, reach out to $9 billion. And we are targeting 10% of the US market. Our team is divided in sectors of engineering, medicine, and business development. Our engineering team, we have more than 20 years experience in more than 12 patents and articles in medical field. Our medicine team has more than 20 years experience in endocrinologists and type 1 diabetes treatment. That makes us expert. And our business model, business development, more than 10 years experience in developing a business and fundraising. Please join us to revolutionizing the drug delivery system. Thank you very much.